Introduction to 3D geometry. To locate any point, in a plane, we require two measurements. To locate any point in a plane, we require two measurements. Bishop. To locate any point in space, we require three measurements. X dash OX, Y dash OY and Z dash OZ are three real number lines mutually perpendicular to each other, intersect at a point O, called origin. Bishop. Here X dash OX is called x-axis, Y dash OY is called y-axis, and Z dash OZ is called z-axis. X, O, Y is called XY plane. Y, O, Z is called YZ plane. Z, O, X is called ZX plane. These axes divide the space. Into 8 parts. These axes divide the space into 8 parts called octants, denoted by O, X, Y, Z, O, X dash, Y, Z, O, X, Y dash, Z, O, X, Y, Z dash, and O, X dash, Y dash, Z, O, X dash, Y, Z dash, O, X, Y dash, Z dash, and O, X dash, Y dash, Z dash. Here, O, X, Y, Z means positive x-axis, positive y-axis, and positive z-axis. Whereas O, X dash, Y, Z means negative x-axis, positive y-axis, and positive z-axis. Next. Let P be any point in this space. Let P be any point in the space draw PL, PM and PN. Draw PL, PM and PN perpendicular to XZ plane, YZ plane and XY plane respectively. The directed distance of the point P, the directed distance of the point P from YZ plane, the directed distance of the point P from YZ plane is called x coordinate. The directed distance of the point P from YZ plane is called x coordinate. Or if a plane parallel to YZ, if a plane parallel to YZ plane passing through P, if a plane parallel to YZ plane passing through P intersect the x-axis, then the directed distance of that point, from origin is called x coordinate. Similarly, the y coordinate and z coordinate. Any point on x-axis, any point on x-axis is of the form x, 0, 0. Any point on y-axis is of the form zero, y, 0. Any point on z-axis is of the form 0, 0, z. Any point in xy plane is of the form x, y, 0. Any point on YZ plane is of the form 0, y, z. any point on zx plane is of the form x comma 0 comma z. Equation of xy plane equation of xy plane is z equal to 0. Equation of yz plane is x equal to 0. Equation of zx plane is y equal to 0. Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0 and z equal to 0, which is intersection of xy plane and xz plane. Similarly, equation of y-axis is x equal to 0 and z equal to 0. Equation of z-axis is x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Let P be any point in space whose coordinates are x comma y comma z. Let I cap comma j cap and k cap are unit vectors along x-axis comma y-axis and z-axis. OP bar equal to R bar, which is equal to OC dash bar plus C dash P bar. OC dash bar is same as OB bar plus BC dash bar plus C dash P bar. OB bar plus BC dash bar is same as OA bar and C dash P bar is same as OC bar. So which is same as R bar equal to OA bar plus OB bar plus OC bar. So R bar equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Modulus of R bar square equal to modulus of OA square, modulus of OB square, modulus of OC square. Therefore, R square equal to x square plus y square z square. Modulus of R bar equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square. Distance of the point P x comma y comma z from origin is root of x square plus y square plus z square. Distance of the point P from x-axis, root of y square plus z square. Distance of P from y-axis, root of x square plus z square. Distance of P from z-axis, root of x square plus y square. Distance between two points P x1 y1, z1 and q, x2, y2, z2 using vector method. PQ bar equal to OQ bar minus OP bar, that is x2 minus x1 into I plus y2 minus y1 into j plus z2 minus z1 into k. So modulus of PQ bar equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Section formula. Number 1, internal point of division. The coordinates of the point are which divides a line segment joining P x1 y1 z1 and Q x2 y2 z2 internally in the ratio of m is to n is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, mz2 plus nz1 upon m plus n, where m plus n not equal to 0. External point of division. The coordinates of the point are which divides a line segment joining P and Q externally in the ratio of m is to n is mx2 minus nx1 upon m minus n my2 minus ny1 upon m minus n, mz2 minus nz1 upon m minus n, where m not equal to n. So this can be proved using vectors. Midpoint of the line segment joining Px1, y1, z1 and Qx2, y2, z2 is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2, comma z1 plus z2 by 2. Let A x1, y1, z1, B x2, y2, z2, C x3, y3, z3 and D are the consecutive vertices of a parallelogram ABCD. Then the coordinates of the fourth vertex D are x1 plus x3 minus x2, y1 plus y3 minus y2, z1 plus z3 minus z2. So this can be derived using diagonals bisect each other. So take the midpoint of AC, midpoint of BD, equate it and then solve. That is, add the adjacent and subtract the opposite. Next, in triangle ABC, D x1, y1, z1, comma E x2, y2, z2, and F x3, y3, z3 are the midpoints of BC, comma CA and AB respectively. Then the vertices of the triangle ABC are A x2 plus x3 minus x1, y2 plus y3 minus y1, z2 plus z3 minus z1. Since AFDE is a parallelogram, in a similar manner, write the coordinates of B as well as C. Write centroid, comma incenter, orthocenter and circumcenter of the triangle whose vertices are A x1, y1, z1, B x2, y2, z2 and C x3, y3, z3. AD, BE and CF are the medians intersect at a point G called centroid, which divides the median in the ratio of 2:1. D is the midpoint of BC. So D is x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2, z2 plus z3 by 2. and G divides Z in the ratio of 2:1. So the coordinates of the centroid are x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. Next, in center, AD, BE and CF are the angle bisectors, and small a, comma, small b and small c are the length of the sides BC, CA and AB respectively. The angle bisector AD divides BC in the ratio of C:B. So coordinates of D are Cx3 plus Bx2 upon C plus B, Cy3 plus By2 upon C plus B, Cz3 plus Bz2 upon C plus B. And we can prove that I divides AD in the ratio of B plus C:A. Hence, the coordinates of the in center are Ax1 plus Bx2 plus Cx3 upon A plus B plus C. In the same manner, Y coordinate and Z coordinate. Orthocenter. AD, BE and CF are the altitudes of the triangle ABC, and O is the orthocenter. AD divides BC in the ratio of tan C to tan B. Hence, the coordinates of DR, and it can be proved that AO is to OD as tan B plus tan C to tan A. Hence, the coordinates of the orthocenter of the triangle ABC are x1 tan A plus x2 tan B plus x3 tan C upon tan A plus tan B plus tan C. Similarly, Y coordinate and Z coordinate. And circumcenter can be derived using orthocenter centroid. That is, centroid divides line segment joining orthocenter to circumcenter in the ratio of 2:1. So coordinates of circumcenter are x1 sin 2a plus x2 sin 2b plus x3 sin 2c upon sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. Similarly, the Y coordinate and Z coordinate. The ratio in which YZ plane divides a line segment joining P x1, y1, z1 and Q x2, y2, z2. The ratio in which YZ plane divides the line segment joining P x1, y1, z1 and Q x2, y2, z2 is minus x1 is to x2. Since equation of YZ plane is x equal to 0, so if I take the ratio as m is to n, the x coordinate equated to 0. What is the x coordinate of R? mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n equal to 0, which implies m upon n equal to minus x1 upon x2. That is, YZ plane divides line segment joining PQ in the ratio of minus x1 is to x2. Similarly, ZX plane divides in the ratio of minus y1 is to y2. xy plane divides in the ratio of minus z1 is to z2. Yes. P x1 y1 z1 q x2 y2 z2 and r x comma y comma z. Let R be a point on PQ. The ratio in which R divides PQ is either x1 minus x is to x minus x2 or y1 minus y is to y minus y2 or z1 minus z is to z minus z2. Let ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is a plane. Divide the line segment joining px1 y1 z1 and qx2 y2 z2 in the ratio of lambda is to 1. Then lambda equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d upon ax2 plus by2 plus cz2 plus d. Try to prove this using internal point of division. So you can write the coordinates of r in terms of lambda and substitute in the equation of the plane and simplify. Then you will get lambda is to 1. Center or centroid of tetrahedron ABCD, where A x1 y1 z1, B x2 y2 z2, C x3 y3 z3, and D x4 y4 z4. Is P which is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 by 4. That is average of x coordinates, average of y coordinates, average of z coordinates. The center of tetrahedron is point of intersection of the line segment joining the vertex to the centroid of the opposite face. And the property is which divides the line joining vertex to the centroid of opposite face in the ratio of 3:1.